Bro, I almost got cleaned up. Far out, it broke right on my head. Yeah. Right in the noggin. Oh. Oh. Oy, oy, oy. All right, ahoy.
Ahoy, ahoy.
Good morning. The hunt for mackerel continues. The zombie apocalypse. Lockdown is almost upon us. Operation Fill the Freezers. Weather conditions are a lot better than what it was yesterday. 3.5 hours, 15 k's paddled for one hit, no fish. Try and change that today. No wind today, which is really nice. A little bit of swell. Almost got cleaned up on the way out. Wave broke my head.
What a joker.
But we managed to stay upright. Liveys are on the menu today. Plenty of bait around. We'll make our way out a little bit further before I chuck these on. Fingers crossed we can get a fish in the hatch nice and early. Let's go!
Let's go!
All right, so we have the troll cam out again today. And I've actually got a bit more weight on the troll cam, so we're fishing closer to the bottom. Hopefully some big Spanish are cruising around there. Let's get one of these boys. Running with that. Whee! So come on. Whee! All right, 2 rods out. Let's go.
Let's go!
The boats are in force. It's always funny when you see the boats yelling at other boats for crossing lines. Usually they're doing it to us kayakers, but oh. Is that a run just there or what? What's going on here? Oh, a squid or something. I think I just lost my bloody livey. You did. Quite annoying. Well, that didn't last very long. Take 2.
Take 2.
Whee! Whee! Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy.
Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy!
All right, we're on. Is the rod in? Oh. Uh-oh. Doesn't feel big. Oh no, we dropped it. Oh no. Got it, tangle later. Deal with that tangle later. Oh, this feels small. What is it? Can't even see it yet. What do you got? Nice to spot here. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Very excited.
Oh, happy days. Let's try not to get this other thing tangled. Which I think it already is. Spotty in the hatch, boys. Yee-hoo-hoo! The monkey is finally off my back.
I'm making a call. I just did it on video and you got a donut. What a joker. What a joker.
All right, good times. Ah, it feels good to finally get a fish, get back on the board. There's been many trips out here for big fat donuts. I thought I was gonna have to start going to freaking counselling or something with the lack of fish and the amount of effort I've been putting in, but it all changes today. Yew! Not the biggest spotty in the world, but spot nonetheless. All right, put another bait out and get another one. Any of those who are wondering why I've got these stylish band-aids on either finger, I went out on Thursday. I'll chuck some footage up now. Had the line tangled around my rudder, and as I was dealing with that, a fish has taken the bait while the line was in my hands. And luckily, I managed to get my hands out of the way before any serious damage could get done. But it put some nice big braid cuts in my hands.
Oh, take my hand. Ah!
All right, another bait. Only small baits, but did the job on the first one. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
All right, that is me. I'm happy with that one spot. I got that around about 6:15, and it's now 8:06. So I've chucked in a bit of extra time to try and find some other fish around the reef, but it's very slow. So I've decided to head in a little bit earlier than what I usually would. Fish in the hatch. Managed to stock the freezer up. Isolation, lockdown, zombie apocalypse, whatever you want to call it. I'll have fish in the freezer, so I am happy. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
You take my little hand. No!